As a little girl, I grew up in the countryside, surrounded by trees and fields. And ever since then, nature and the surrounding landscape has been an important source of inspiration for my artwork. Nearly every day I go on a walk, and often I bring my sketchbook with me. Today I would like to invite you along on one of these walks and show you where it all began and how I collect inspiration for my paintings. When I find a spot that looks interesting to me, I stop and unpack my painting supplies and get to work. I am looking for value contrasts and also interesting shapes. It is springtime here, and everywhere you look is green, green, green. So I decided to just bring along my black and white paints and work solely in a grayscale or black and white, as it were. This way I will stay focused on painting contrast, finding interesting shapes and patterns. I try and stay open to any and all inspiration, and I had imagined that these were going to be drawings of the extended landscape, but instead some distant trees caught my eyes, and also these dandelions that were just getting all fluffy and ready to spread their seeds. The rain clouds are headed this way, so I'm trying to work quickly and get some work done before it starts raining. I better start packing up my things and head home. The wind is really starting to pick up, so I'm taking a shortcut past these friendly horses. When I got home, I removed the masking tape and took a closer look at the paintings I did. I liked the loose and abstract feel I managed to achieve in these.